Just to prove how much of an expert he is, this man literally flexed on us by jumping off a cliff. Oh my god. You're crazy!
This is a bit crazy. Surely one of you guys are keen?
I'm crazy!
No shot you want to do that.
What are you talking about? I'm doing it right now, baby. Let's go, Joel.
Godspeed back!
After everything Jimmy's put me through, this ain't that scary for me. 3, 2, 1.
No, we gotta keep going or we won't hit the end.
Oh my god.
Can we go downstream? Why are we always fighting the current?
I might just start drifting away. I might just give it up.
There are sharp rocks underneath the water. You cannot see them, so watch your step.